Hey, what's up, guys? This is not Florida. I am up in Columbus right now. One of the benefits of the real estate business, kind of going virtual now, all the meetings that we're doing virtually, one of the benefits of that is you can travel wherever you want. Unfortunately for me, I own 47, 48 racehorses up in Ohio, live in Florida, but have racehorses in Ohio. So I fly up here every week. Came up here for just for the morning to take a look at some of my, actually you can see in the background there some of my racehorses, and it is freezing freaking cold. But anyway, my message for you today is in the new virtual world, there's a very specific approach you can use to giving presentations online so you don't have to be there to meet them face to face. I'm going to be talking about it on our New Year's Day training. If you go to newyearnewagent.com, you'll be able to register for that. It's totally free. We're doing it on New Year's Day. But again, it's newyearnewagent.com. I think you'll get a lot of value out of it. So check it out. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.